Welcome back to part 2 of our garage organization project. If you missed part 1 last week, I shared how we built these awesome DIY garage shelves that are going to provide us so much more vertical storage now. This week we are going to be working on adding function and more organization to this garage wall behind me. When we started this project last week, our garage was just filled with stuff, and we have been working on decluttering it and getting rid of stuff, but now we just need a place to put everything, and we're going to start with kind of figuring out where our storage totes are going to go on these shelves, and then we can put stuff in it. So this week we are just going to focus on maximizing the storage with these new shelves and adding different organizers and things to them, as well as on the wall around them, to really just maximize this wall space to display things so they're easy to find and we know where everything is, and so that it also looks a little bit nicer as well too. These are huge. I think we're gonna put all the baby stuff in here. I can't decide if I want them this way or this way. We'll probably fit more the other way. Ta-da! Now we just have to fill them. Chance, how do we feel about unloading this truck? Oh my gosh, I don't want to do it. I like the garage nice and empty. I bought these heavy duty hooks. We had some of these already, but I bought some more because they're really great for holding heavier things in the garage. And I'm going to start off by installing this larger one for our ladder, and I'm gonna put it on the side of the shelves. I think it's gonna be a great spot to get the ladder out of the way and off the ground. The thing is, I actually need to stand on the ladder in order to hang it, so I gotta do that first. The next piece of organization that I want to add to the wall is a broom holder, and I saw this on Amazon. It was like one of their best-selling organizational things in the garage, and I thought this was such a great idea just to have somewhere to hold brooms, dustpans, that kind of thing, and easily grab it, and it's adjustable. So let's see how this works. Oh my gosh, I just realized we did it upside down. It's like the simplest project, and gotta reverse it. We have this wall space behind me that's between our shelves and our potting bench that I thought would be a great place to do a lot of vertical storage. I found these wall mount baskets on Amazon, and I thought they were perfect for having a place to display our kids' toys, which is a bit out of hand. And I just want to hang them down low on the wall so that the kids can easily grab toys and we can see what's in them. And it's also just going to be a great place to hide all those, like, not hide, hang all those really small things that kind of end up all over the place. They came in a set of 3 and they're really easy to put together. So now I'm just going to mount them on the wall. I love how these wire baskets look on the wall. They're so cute, and I think they're going to be at the perfect height for our little ones. Now that those are installed, I want to finish off this wall by adding some shaker pegs. Basically, the way we're going to do this is we have some scrap 1x4 primed boards, and well, actually we bought this new 8-foot one as well. And we're just going to screw these into the wall studs so they're really secure. And then we are going to install a bunch of these wooden shaker pegs. I bought a big pack of them for a great deal on Amazon. We've actually used these before. We made a shaker peg coat rack that was really cute, which we still use today for a bunch of our entryway items. These are so versatile. You can use them to hang so many things. And I thought they'd be great for hanging some more kids' toys along the bottom, and then up along the top we can hang garden supplies since our potting bench is right here and everything's just right by the garage door, so we can easily grab everything when we are doing some gardening. So we just basically nailed it in place so it was level, and now we're going to find the wall studs and drill through the board into the stud so it's really secure. Alright, we're about to install the pegs. Brandon drew a line through the middle of the 1x4 boards, and now he's just marking where we're going to drill our peg holes. And then once he finishes that, we will use a 1/2-inch drill bit and drill the holes, and then just put the pegs into the holes with wood glue and a rubber mallet to tap them in. Well, it's the end of the day and we were trying to get this project finished up, but we ran into a problem with the distance between the 2 peg holes. As you can see, we tested it out here with the shovel, and we just didn't leave quite enough room between each peg to fit the wood part of the shovel. So rather than trying to fill the holes and spend all the time doing that, we're going to just take this board down and put a new board up and re-drill the holes a little bit further apart. I think we just didn't take into account enough distance for the thickness of the pegs. So, lesson learned on this project. Well, we finished up installing our peg hooks on the wall and we painted them and let the paint cure over the weekend. So this morning we are going to start organizing garage items, getting them up on the wall. And this part is kind of like a puzzle, just trying to figure out where everything is going to go best. But I'm excited to just get things organized and wrap up this project. So let's get started. We have so many bubbles. We have made major progress on our garage organization. We're still not totally finished with the space, but everything is looking and functioning so much better than before. I feel like a weight has been lifted by decluttering and getting rid of stuff, and it's much easier now to see where everything is and spend time in this space. Don't forget to check out the DIY garage shelves if you haven't seen them yet, and make sure to subscribe and follow along for more fun DIY and home decor projects. Thanks for watching.